The 2007 ES350. The Lexus ES350 is a sophisticated combination of distinctive styling, luxury, and smooth performance. A 3.5-liter V6 engine propels the ES from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. And the countless standard interior features transport you to a new level of luxury and convenience. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, CD changer, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, climate control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.